This gentleman, along with his allow, hail from the island of Maui. We are so fortunate to have him here along with his allow tonight to join us at Kona Nui Night. So if you guys are ready, please put your hands together for Kumuhula, Kamako Kukona, and Halau o Ka Hanu Nehua.
Ha'ipaili makako.
Kamakalena o ke kolau Kua hine pua kaya olau O lalo o ki waya kanaulu Ika himea iki una amakahuna Me haila ika pilio huewai Ola baka uila no hoi kai Uina na kolo wa kapihe Lau kanaka kahula la kai Mayu mai hoki Ke ala mai Aloha kako
Aloha.
Aloha kako
Aloha.
Pehea kako We are Halau Kahanu Bua, and I am Kamako Kukona. Tonight we come from the island of Maui, and we'd like to share in our most humble and gracious honor with all of you the dances that have been passed to me and to us this evening. And a little later we'll continue on with the Awana section. But for now, as is customary, we choose potential I'm not going to say controversial. I'm going to refrain from that. We're going to go to Hawaii Island. Normally, we would do something for Oahu because we are here. But that's why I chanted a chant that was in praise of this Aina. We're going to go to Hawaii Island, Moku o Keawe, where the activity of Kawahine Pele, Kawahine o Kalua is quite going. She's alive and she's visual and we can see her and we can feel her and we can taste and touch her, and so we honor Pele.
Mai kai mai Kawahine o Pele mai kai na o pola mai kapnoa kane mai kala mai kalani mai kiau. Lapa kui Hawaii Kawahine o Pele kalai kona ba opono yake. Ko ba e kamowali ho mai. Wo pa ka ba o kia. Ko ba e kalai ho lua mea ho mai kia. Ele e o Pele ho lua mea e kalani ai kunia mai ko kua e kini o kia kua. Ya bai ko li ko pe ko ba e na wali ya Pele a e kua me. Ka ya kali ho no ya ka ho ino ko ba. O kumala wa olo olo ai ko no ai na ko i ho. O ia kano ia ia kua hele ia kami kale o pele e hua o i kriki la poile pele e hua na o ia ai ala o pele i Hawaii ai ala o pele
Hawaii te ha'ameila I mau pele Pule o ai la ina Hey,